Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a beat in Ableton Live. So I'm going to break it down in three things: melody, harmony, and rhythm. Now, you don't need all three of those things to make a song, but it helps to be able to identify those things. So in this song, I started with this section right here. So what I did is I wrote this chord progression that serves as the main foundation of the song. This is going to be harmony because it's chords. From there, I wrote a bass line. The bass line is just following the root notes of these chords. Now from there, I wrote a drum pattern to kind of accentuate the rhythm of the chords. So once you have this little loop down, you want to start writing the rest of the song. So what I did from here is I copy and pasted it. So I had 16 bars, and then 8 bars in, I added this pad. This pad is playing the same exact chords as these ones up here, but I have a different serum patch going, so it kind of fills out the structure. So it's really easy to get bogged down in this part of the songwriting process because you have a loop and you're not sure where to take it. But it helps to get in the mindset that all you need to do is write one B section. You don't need to figure out the whole song right away. You just have to slowly refine it as you go. So what I did is I took these chords and I ran it through an arpeggiator. And I came up with this B section right here. What I'm doing here is I'm taking the same idea, but I'm evolving a little bit. And that's going to keep the song interesting, and it's going to keep people engaged. All I did is I added this arp, and then I changed up the bass line, and then I got rid of the hi-hats. So what allowed me to come up with all these different arrangement ideas and structure ideas was just having this one strong idea here with this chord progression. That's where the whole song started. As a beginner, it's really important to understand that to get ideas out, you need a strong workflow. And now what that means is you need to figure out what lets you be creative. When you're coming up with ideas, maybe you're more creative playing on a keyboard and playing that directly into Ableton, or maybe you're more creative with samples and altering those however you may. It's really just about experimenting and getting those ideas out, and then from there you can expand them and write entire songs. I'm going to be making videos in the future about how to write chord progressions, melodies, all sorts of different ways you can come up with these main ideas, and hopefully show you different workflows and different ways to be creative in Ableton, because honestly there's so many different possibilities here on how you can get your ideas down. I hope this was helpful, and thank you.